everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using these two colors here. That glitter is called Alice, and then the purplish blue is called A Touch of Whimsy, and that is a thermal. So it looks light blue and then it turns into a purple. And these powders are from Acrylic Fetish, and I've never tried any of the powders from Acrylic Fetish, and I'm super excited to create this mani today so we can test out these beautiful powders. And for the mani, we're also going to be doing the gel method. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we just finished with the first dip, and I can already tell you that these powders from Acrylic Fetish are super pigmented. Now the glitter is stunning. It has pink glitters, blue glitters, and depending on which way it hits with the light in the sun, it's just super, super gorgeous, and it really brings that pink glitter to life. So easily you could get away with one dip of Whimsy by itself, A Touch of Whimsy, because it is that pigmented, and I was shocked. Normally thermals, you kind of need to build up that pigmentation, but not with A Touch of Whimsy. It is super pigmented. And can we talk about that shimmer for a second? The shimmer is stunning, and I'm pretty sure you can chrome that too. I'm definitely going to need to try that. So then we're going to go in with our second layer of dip, and then after I saw the second layer of dip, I was like, this mani is screaming a decal, and I had the perfect decal in mind, and you'll see that here in a little bit. Alright, so we're just finishing up the mani here, and how cute is that decal? It is Sully from Monsters Inc. After I did that second coat, I was like, I have the perfect decal for this mani. It just reminded me of Monsters Inc. So I really like how these powders applied from Acrylic Fetish. I will link everything below in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!